Hey guys, in today's video, I want to talk about iOS 17.2 and why I believe everyone needs to update to this software update, as Apple has provided additional last-minute details that are super important for everyone to know in regards to this new update. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, iOS 17.2 brings with it a lot of great new features like spatial video capturing for iPhone 15. We get some new widgets, enhancements to Apple Music, the Journal application, and iMessage contact key verification. But aside from that, I want to talk about something a little more important for your device, something that you should know in regards to iOS 17.2, as well as iOS 16.7.3. These two have something in common, and let me show you what you need to know in regards to this latest software update. If we go into Apple's About Security content of iOS 17.2 and iPadOS 17.2, as we take a look here, Apple adds about 10 new security patches to the iPhone, again running iOS 17.2 or iOS 16.7.3. So it is important for you to update, of course, as Apple adds these security patches to Bluetooth. We get some extensions and patches to Find My, and you see additional kernel patches here, Siri patches, WebKit. 10 of security patches are put in place with the latest update. So that alone should be enough for you to update to iOS 17.2. Now, with all that being said, there's also another piece of information that is something that Apple has never done before. At least I don't think I've ever heard Apple actually upgrading the charging speeds and capabilities of older devices as they did with iOS 17.2. So with the iPhone 15, you're capable of charging wirelessly up to 15 watts. Now with the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, Apple has now upgraded those devices and unlocked the capabilities of Qi 2 wireless standard, which should be hitting the market fairly soon. So Apple has prepared older devices like the iPhone 13, all iPhone 13 models, and all iPhone 14 models to have the same wireless charging capabilities of up to 15 watts of wireless charging, just like the iPhone 15, to support the upcoming Qi 2 wireless charging standard. And I don't think Apple has ever done this before, and this alone should be enough reason for you to want to upgrade your iPhone as well, or update your iPhone as well to iOS 17.2, as all iPhone 14 models and all iPhone 13 models now gain improved wireless charging speeds and enables a new standard which should be hitting the market soon. So two main reasons I believe everyone needs to update. Of course, Apple continues to add additional new features, but security patches and the ability to charge faster are the two main reasons I believe everyone needs to update to iOS 17.2. Again, 10 security patches have been put in place for iOS 17.2 alongside iOS 16.7.3 for running iOS 16, and Qi 2 wireless charging has now been enabled on iPhone 13 models, 14 models, and of course the iPhone 15. And that about brings it into this video. So for those of you who are still thinking about updating to iOS 17.2, these are the two most important reasons I believe everyone needs to update to this software update. Of course, I'll continue my coverage with iOS 17.2 and beyond, so make sure to stay tuned here to the channel and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.